Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If a guest has written a review for their stay and if you want to respond to that in this video, I will show you exactly how you can navigate to the page where you can write a response to the guest review. Now, there are two ways of doing this. The first one is once the guest has written their review and you have written their review as well, you will receive an email from Airbnb just like this. And all you can do is go into that email and click on write a response, and it will take you straight to the page where you can write a response. But if you want to do it just within Airbnb, it's pretty simple. Once you know where to go, just go into Airbnb from your computer, click on switch to hosting on the top right. That will take you to the hosting dashboard, and then click on menu here and then insights. And on the insights page, click on quality tab on the left hand side. That will open up all the reviews you have received so far. Now you can click on the review which you want to respond if it is visible here, or you can just click on this show reviews button. That will open up the reviews on your listing. Now let's say if I want to respond to this guest review, you can click on show details here. That will open up the review on the right hand side. Now to respond to this review, you will need to click on this show more option here, which is going to be displayed under public review option. And once you click on that, you will be able to see their entire public review. And under that, you will see this reply to the guest option. Click on that. And over here, you will be able to write a response to the guest review. Keep in mind, whatever you write here is going to be publicly visible to anybody who's reading that guest review. So be careful and always keep in mind, it's not about that guest. If you've had a bad experience with the guest, you always, as a host, want to come in a positive light. And this response you will write here is going to be read by your potential future guests. So be very careful. You want to turn anything into a positive story which brings you in a positive light. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye bye.